Hello and welcome to justcomparecars.com. My name's James and today I'm going to be doing a walk around video for this 2016 Ford Transit minibus, or bus, whatever you want to call it I suppose. 17 seats, it's probably a bus. It's done 38,000 miles and it's got full service history. So we've been doing these walk around videos for quite a while now and all our vehicles have them. We endeavour to make sure that they all do anyway. Basically I'll be going around the vehicle in great detail. I'll show you any marks, any scratches, any dents. We'll look at all the panels individually. We'll have a look at the wheels and tyres individually as well. Once we're in around the whole vehicle, we'll have a look inside. Obviously we'll look at the driver's seat, the functionality, and then we'll have a look at the passenger seats as well, and I'll show you what it's like. Obviously current climate being what it is, we want to make sure that obviously you can purchase the vehicle from the safety and comfort of your own home if that's something that you want to do. On the back of that, once you've watched the video, if you're happy with what you see and you want to buy it, we can pretty much deliver it anywhere in the world. Just need a postcode or a port. If you're looking to finance the minibus, we ask for a deposit to cover the VAT. An application takes between 5 and 10 minutes, really quick. We can usually get your decision within about an hour, and in most cases, if you're here on site, we can obviously let you drive away in it the same day. Right, so a few things. Other than that, if obviously when you've watched the video you think I've missed something, you want to see something in a little bit more detail, excuse me, it does happen, give me a shout, I'll be more than happy to do it for you, no problem at all. Let's start with the bonnet and then we can obviously work our way around from there. Right, so bonnet is in good shape, there's no obvious damage or dents. Headlight, no damage, just a bit of water. Front grille's in good condition, as is the passenger light. So look at the front bumper. Obviously it's the black plastic version and it's in great shape, there's no damage at all that I can see. Passenger side wing is in good shape, no damage. Passenger side front wheel and tyre, wheel's in good condition, it's a steel wheel obviously. Lots of tread on the tyre, approximately 10mm. Mirror backs, passenger side, good condition. Windscreen, there's no obvious stone chips or cracks. I will have another look when we get inside, but I can't see anything there. Obviously all the windows are tinted, legally. Passenger side doors in good condition, there's no damage, no obvious damage anyway. So let's go down the passenger side. And as you can see, it's in great condition. There's no damage. There's no obvious dents that I can see. Everything's in nice, clean condition. I think while we're here, I'll show you this side step. Really cool. When you open that, as you can see, the side step opens out on its own. And it glides in and out. Really smooth. We'll have a good look inside in a second, but just to give you a glimpse, everything's really nice and clean, smells nice inside as well. Shut that and that packs itself away nicely. Nice addition to anyone's fleet, I'm sure. Rear wheel and tyre, again it's a steel wheel, double wheels on the back, both wheels have got plenty of tread on the tyres. Zoom that back out. Nice and clean, everything looks good. Rear lights in good shape, there's no damage, there's no misting. Everything's as you'd want it to be. Rear doors. This vehicle is restricted to a speed of 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometres per hour, which is obviously pretty much standard. Rear doors are in great condition. Tinted rear windscreen, tinted rear windscreens. Small dent here, goes across that one and a little bit of that one. Maybe someone's reversed into something or something. It's not bad, but it's there. So in the back, obviously you can see these seats are removable, so you can have it as a If you wanted it as a car, for instance, you could take it out, you could have a boot, or maybe have access for a wheelchair or something similar. Great condition. Doors are in nice condition in the back as well. There's no damage. Everything's nice and clean. Everything's as you would want it to be. Bumpers in clean condition as well, as you can see. That's shut. Right, onto the driver's side. Again, rear lights in great condition. There's no damage. There's no water ingress. Everything's nice and clean. Right, so let's go down the driver's side now. And hopefully, as you can appreciate from the video, it's in great great order. No obvious damage or dents that I can see. Everything's very tidy. Obviously lightly tinted rear windows for your passengers, not heavily tinted. You can still see inside, but it'll just take the glare off them when you're driving. Rear wheels and tyres, driver's side, wheels in good condition. Again, lots of tread on the tyres. Onto the driver's door. And again, it's in nice condition, there's no damage. Mirror backs again clean, no damage. Onto the driver's side wing. And again, it's exceptionally clean, but it's low mileage. They're used for a job, aren't they? And whoever's obviously used this has obviously looked after it and taken care of it. So, obviously the driver's side wheel and tyre, and again, great condition. Let's have a look inside. So, driver's door, let me zoom that back out, is in great condition, there's no damage. Electric windows, and then obviously you can lock and unlock the vehicle from here as well. Driver's seat, bolsters are really nice and firm, material's nice and clean, there's no damage, no cigarette burns or any indication of that. Also, on top of that, there's no indication of any smells inside that relate to smoking. I can't stand it personally. It does taint obviously a vehicle. Once you've smoked in it, you can't get rid of it. I can't smell anything in here other than it just smells clean. On the seat, you can lift the seat base up so you've got a level of manoeuvrability for the comfort of the driver, and it can go up and down. So if you're a bit taller, a bit shorter, it will accommodate you quite easily. Let me jump in. It's a nice place to be, actually. To be fair, it's a comfortable seating position. Dashboard's really clean and tidy. You've got a couple of cubby holes, your USB auxiliary port, 12-volt socket, and everything works nicely. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox with a reverse. Your cruise controls here, and then obviously your media center control, and also your voice command and your telephone controls are here. It has got heated front screen and rear. It's got Bluetooth hands-free for your phone. I'll start it up actually. You have to drop the clutch to start it. And as you can see, it fires into action straight away. There's no warning lights on the dashboard. Just wait for that to go off. And there you go. So everything looks good. Media center works fine. Let's have a look. Nice stereo in it. Switch that off. Passenger seat is in good shape. Nice and plenty of bolsters are like new. If I can get my words out. The material's really nice and clean, and there's no damage on that either. There's a fire extinguisher down there. Driver's armrest. Switch that off. Let's have a look in the back. Obviously, if you need to see anything else, let me know in regards to the driver's seating position or etc. I don't think there is, but so in the back, all the seats are really clean. Let's have a sit down actually, just see what it's like. I've not sat in the back. Again, I'm 6'2", plenty of leg room. Nice and tidy inside in the back. There's a tachograph if you need one. I don't know why. All the seats are really clean. As I say, it smells nice as well. So if you've got an extended large family, or if you are a minibus company, or I don't know, we've sold them to colleges before that needed them for transporting students around. It's ideal. Everything's really nice and clean. It's obviously got 17 seats, is that right? 4 at the back, 7, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 seats total. So you've got 16 passenger seats and then the driver. As I say, everything's clean. There's no obvious damage in here at all. It's got the sunroof, which doubles as, I presume, the escape roof. The hammer's there to do that. Obviously the window's open and stuff. There is cup holders as well, spread about. And of course they are all seat belted as well. So let me, oh dear, excuse me, let me jump out, grab the keys, because obviously you need the keys to do the bonnet. So under the bonnet, everything looks clean and tidy. Obviously it's done low mileage. I'd prefer to see them like this, to be honest with you, because you can see that it's obviously as it was when it came to us. It's not been cleaned or over cleaned, if you like. You can see that there's no nasty oily residues around the engine or the engine bay. Belt's look in great condition. Obviously 137,000, whatever it is. The fluids are all clean and to the correct levels. Get down there. Oh, started raining. Just try and get that down there so you can see obviously everywhere. And again, obviously there's no nasty oily residues or anything like that. Everything looks nice and clean. End of the day, it's got full service history. It's obviously been looked after. It doesn't take a genius to figure that out. Right, so let's have a quick look underneath. And again, there's no obvious signs of any oily residues. Everything looks nice and dry under there, and obviously tidy. There's a spare, and the tyre looks to be brand new. And it's a full-size wheel. Okay, so hopefully I've shown you everything that you would need to see if you were here in person, maybe a little bit more. Obviously, if you want to see something in a little bit more detail, please ask. Oh, Amy's coming to say hello. Obviously, if you need to see anything in any more detail, please ask. I'm more than happy to do it for you, no problem at all. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye.